Kinetik Wellbeing have developed a range of accurate, simple to use and affordable blood pressure monitors. Here we will show you how to use the TMB 2088B Smart Blood Pressure Monitor. Step 1. Pair the device. Before using, you can pair this device to your Android or Apple smartphone. To do so, simply download the MedM Blood Pressure Diary or MedM Health app. You can then register your details on the app or continue without registration. You must ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled on the smartphone and the blood pressure monitor is close by. When the blood pressure monitor is off, press and hold the pairing button until the Bluetooth symbol flashes. In the app, select the drop-down menu and My Devices, then press Add New. Your smartphone will begin scanning for a new device. When detected, select the TMB 2088B. If successful, the Bluetooth symbol will stop flashing and the monitor will display Done. Step 2. Relax. Rest for 5 minutes before taking your blood pressure. Don't eat or drink anything beforehand. Step 3. Apply the cuff. Use your left arm, making sure to remove any thick clothing and rest your arm on a hard surface. Step 4. Take a measurement. Select User and press Start. Don't talk and relax as the cuff inflates. Once the measurement is complete, results will be automatically transmitted to your smartphone.